Hi, I'm Simon Tipler, VP of Products for Canvas GFX. Welcome to this introduction to Canvas X CADComposer. I'm going to break this down into 5 segments for you. First, we'll touch on how Canvas works. Next, we'll have a look at importing CAD files. We'll see different types of 3D views, and we'll skim through the 3D toolset. Finally, we'll look at annotating our parts within assemblies. Okay, first things first. Why Canvas X CADComposer? Over the past couple years, we've heard from a lot of customers. Along with the strength and versatility of the canvas they know and love, they wanted the power to reuse their existing CAD files in their documentation and marketing material. CADComposer lets you import 3D CAD files just like this one here so that you can manipulate, edit, and position your 3D models for use in all your assets, all in one application. Like the rest of our products, Canvas has a complete illustration toolset and a Canvas assistant that helps you automatically based on what you're doing. Let's see what this looks like and start by importing a 3D file. If we click this button, Place 3D Model, you'll see a range of 3D file formats CADComposer is able to import. Our customers tell us one of our great strengths is our ability to import many graphic formats. So CADComposer adds to that flexibility and builds on it. You'll notice CATIA, SolidWorks, Creo, Autodesk, and other popular formats. So we'll import this assembly of a small engine. We'll make some small adjustments to be able to view this how we want, and I'll come back to these tools in a minute. You'll notice that all the parts of this assembly appear in the assembly tree. You can select parts so that we can hide a part, only show a part, or ghost a part so you can focus your audience on what is most important. I want to hide this housing so I can see what's happening inside. There are various camera views and render modes. Choosing camera, you can put your object in either perspective or orthographic views. There are several render modes letting you choose how you want to show your model. There's technical with light outlines, smooth, flat, silhouette, and wireframe. I prefer this smooth with outline mode. Now I'm going to save that view to my Canvas document. Notice this produces a raster rendering created from pixels. I'll zoom in so you can see how the edges are pixelated. Notice I can edit the rendering properties by selecting our model and adjusting the resolution. Also, CADComposer lets you convert your view to vector with clean, sharp edges. Rather than a rendered raster object, these are vector objects. This means we can use any vector effects, and let's see what this looks like with a bit of a drop shadow. But let me back up a bit. Let's assume we want to change our 3D view. Let's double click on our object. Let's have a look at how we can manipulate these 3D views. If I click this box in the upper right, we can move through all the different side views and angled views of your object. You'll see that all the familiar 3D manipulation methods are available, like pan, zoom, and rotate, so you can look at the model how you want. When you find a view you like, you can save that view or create a new one. As we saw, you can always change or add more views just by double-clicking on your object. Finally, annotations in Canvas let you highlight your objects. Since we know the metadata for the parts in this 3D assembly, we can automatically label our parts by selecting it and clicking Annotate. Notice in the Properties bar we can set how we want our annotations to appear. I'll click on the part to label, and we can show the name of that part within our assembly. Further, we know all the parts, so we can select our assembly and choose Create Table. This is a quick way to create a bill of materials in your assembly. Remember, Canvas has many tools. For example, using the Lens tool, this is just one of the tools we have to help you focus your audience on what's most important. Thanks for looking at Canvas X CADComposer. We briefly covered the application interface, importing CAD files, 3D camera views and controls, the 3D toolset, and finally adding annotations and bill of materials to our assemblies. I hope you enjoyed the video and found it really helpful. Below you'll see a link where you can get a free 14-day trial of Canvas X CADComposer and some links to more information. Also, please see our other videos to learn more about using Canvas. From all of us at Canvas GFX, thanks for watching.